Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we are back to doing Boxycharm unboxings. I know at the end of last year was a little rough. I want to say I did film October and November's Boxycharm unboxings combined. And then I uploaded the video. Some of you probably saw it, and then I accidentally deleted it and I didn't have the backup footage anymore. So yes, and then I didn't get a chance to upload December's Boxycharm unboxings. I was just behind in general in December with filming, so we are back at it again. Boxycharm did up their prices, so I will go ahead and leave all that new information down below in case you guys are interested. So they did raise them a little bit. It is still under $30. With tax, it might be at $30. I'm not sure off the top of my head. It's up to you if you think it's worth it or not. If you are, if you already are a Boxycharm subscriber, let me know down in the comments below, what you guys are thinking with the products that we're receiving. And, do you think it's worth it? And are you going to stick around with Boxycharm? Here lately, it's been touch and go for me. There has been boxes where I'm like, wow, this is great. And then there have been a couple boxes back to back where I'm like, but then I look at the value of the box and how much I'm paying, and I'm like, it's still worth it for me at the moment, so I think I'm going to continue to have Boxycharm. Now if it continues to be pretty back to back, then I might end up canceling, but I will definitely keep you guys updated. I will leave all their information down below. If you guys haven't already, do not forget to hit that subscribe button as well as hit that notification bell. That way you will not miss any future uploads. Let's get started. This is January's Boxycharm. I did in December, the beginning of December, I did purchase add-ons, and I still haven't received them yet. I haven't even received a tracking email, and so I might need to reach out to them to see where that package is, but I did receive January's box. So we are going to unbox this and see what we got. If you guys don't know already, for the base box, you do get to choose one item in your box. So for January, I did pick this skincare product. It is from Pharmacy. It is the Feeling Good Hyaluronic Acid Plumping Serum. A lot of people have been saying that they have not been enjoying getting skincare in their Boxycharm box, and that the reason they signed up was for makeup. I kind of agree. I did sign up for Boxycharm to get makeup, not so much skincare, but I have been enjoying the skincare that they put in the box, because they do put really good high-end brands in the box. So for example, this product here is $44. So for $44, this is more than the box itself. So plus I'm getting other products. So I don't know. And I enjoy higher end skincare, but I don't like the price tag. So if I get to enjoy it at a way cheaper price by getting Boxycharm, that's why I still feel like it's worth it for me. I go through my skincare. I do stick to a skincare routine. My daughter's singing an ice cream song. I don't know. I do stick to my skincare. If I open up a serum, I use the whole serum out before I move on to the next one. So I used to jump around a lot, but I want to say for the past year and a half, I've been sticking to a just simple routine, and using whatever I have open. So yeah, so I'm excited for this. So this, like I said, is $44. It's a skin plumping microfilling serum that hydrates and smooths the look of fine lines. This powerful formula features advanced multi-molecule hyaluronic acid designed to penetrate the skin more effectively, along with amino acids and vegan collagen peptides to deliver visibly plump, healthy looking skin. Yes, please. So next we have, this is from Item Beauty, and this is a Lip Quip lip oil. Sorry, it's a little bright. So this is what the packaging looks like. This is in the shade Come Through. Ooh, it's a pretty shade. That'd be pretty for summer, springtime. So Item Beauty is by Addison Rae, and this is a new brand to Boxycharm. So this goes for $14. All right, it did tone down the brightness a bit, so hopefully it you can see the products a little bit better. My daughter's voice is so high pitched. I'm so sorry, guys. So it says, thanks to good for you ingredients like jojoba oil, almond oil, camellia japonica seed oil, and shea butter, This luscious gloss forms a juicy boost of hydration that keeps lips soft and kissable. So cool. Another skincare item. There you go. You can see it better. This is the, what is this? What is the brand? Dermalect Cosmeticules. I don't know. Anyways, so basically this is a professional eyelid and dark circle corrector powered by multi-peptides and tightening agents. This eye treatment targets puffy eye bags, yes please, dark under eye circles, yes please, and droopy eyelids, yes please. The light diffusing pigments instantly blur imperfections and conceal damage, while the smoothing and soothing cool tip applicator helps stimulate circulation, resulting in instantly fresh and regenerated eyes. So this here goes for $59. $59. So I'm very excited to try that. Next in our box, we got something from Dragon Beauty. This is the Lip Job Liner plus Lip Pencil Sharpener. And this is in the shade 2.0 cc. So this is the lip pencil. It's a pretty like long, big lip pencil. So that's, you get like a lot of product. So this is what the sharpener looks like. So you have your sharpener that will fit the pencil. It doesn't have like two sizes, just the one size, and then actually opens up. So it does hold like the shavings, so that's cool. So I don't have a pencil sharpener for like my filming area, just obviously with my everyday makeup, so I will just keep this with that. It's like a cool brown, like a cool nude brown color. So I am very excited to try this out. I feel like anytime I get something from Dragon Beauty, I don't use it because it's not something that I normally use, but this I will definitely use. That goes for $18. Contour, reshape, and create the ultimate lip fantasy with this extra long lip pencil. Ultra moisturizing and hydrating. This formula serves fuller lips needle-free. Keep your lip job liners on point with this single blade Dragon Beauty logo sharpener. So $18, and this is a Boxycharm exclusive. So another product that we got that is makeup in our Boxycharm box is the LYS Beauty No Limits Matte Bronzer. So it's so funny because I did purchase this bronzer, I want to say, I don't even remember. I just recently purchased this bronzer though with like Boxycharm add-ons. I did get the first shade though. I think it's the lightest shade was the shade that I purchased, but they sent me the shade Harmony, which is the medium shade. So this is what it looks like. So now I have two, which is great because now I have a deeper shade for like the summertime, because I feel if I get really dark in the summer, that shade is going to be a little bit too light. So, but to be completely honest, I probably could pull off this shade now like as well, because it's not that much deeper than the light shade. So that bronzer also goes for $18. It says velvety in texture, this clean, easy to blend bronzer delivers a sun-kissed glow and stunning dimension that pulls your look together. Someone's excited about it. With a natural matte finish formulated with niacinamide, love that, sodium hyaluronate, I don't know what that is, and green tea extract. This finely milled bronzer gives skin the warmth you want while blurring the look of imperfections and texture. Vegan, cruelty-free, talc-free. So we love that. We got 3 makeup items, which I absolutely love that balance, and 2 skincare items. So let's add this up and see how much this box is worth. All right, so for this month, this box was worth $153. I spent this much. I'm gonna put it here because I don't remember off the top of my head what the new prices are. And $153 is the value of the box. So this is why I say I still think it's worth it. Let me know in the comments below, what did you get in your box? Let me know. I want to know what you got in your box. Are you loving your box? What's your favorite item you've received this month? Until next time, guys. Bye.